When traveling or working with European electronics, having the right power cord matters. This power cord is designed specifically to connect your computer or device to electrical outlets that meet the C13 SCHUKO, German, or C7/5, French, standards. It's a simple solution that eliminates the need for bulky adapters. What sets this cord apart is its grounded C7/7 plug on one end, paired with an IEC C13 C13 receptacle on the other. This combination ensures a secure, reliable connection for devices like Dell power supplies, monitors, or PCs, providing peace of mind when plugging in abroad. The cable uses 18 Aruban fluorines wire, capable of carrying up to a 5 amp current, which translates to 1250 watts at 250 volts. This rating covers most standard office and home electronics, making it versatile for various equipment without risking overheating or power issues. One of the biggest benefits is its three-prong grounded design. This feature enhances safety by preventing electrical shocks and grounding the device properly. For anyone who values both performance and safety, this power cord ticks all the boxes. Users from the United States have praised this cord for its reliability and quality. Many note it works flawlessly in France, especially with Dell power supplies, outperforming typical travel adapters that can feel loose or unreliable. The snug fit of the plug is a recurring highlight. It doesn't wiggle or feel flimsy, which means your connection stays solid during use. This is crucial for devices that require steady power without interruptions. The cable itself is thick and durable, reflecting high build quality. Several customers have purchased multiple units for different devices like PCs and monitors, reporting complete satisfaction with the product's longevity and consistent performance. This power cord is not just about functionality, it also offers convenience. Instead of juggling adapters, you get a single cable that fits European outlets perfectly, simplifying your setup whether at home, in the office, or on a business trip. If you frequently travel to Europe or work with imported electronics, this cord is worth considering. It removes the guesswork of compatibility and ensures your devices get the power they need safely and efficiently. Midway through your search for a dependable power solution, it's worth noting how this cable combines safety, quality, and convenience. It's a straightforward upgrade from generic adapters and a smart investment for anyone who wants peace of mind. The 18 Aruban fluorines wire thickness strikes a balance between flexibility and durability. You won't have to worry about the cable fraying or breaking after repeated use, which adds to the overall value of this product. Another practical advantage is the IEC C13 receptacle. This is a common connector for many electronic devices, making this cord compatible with a wide range of equipment beyond just computers or monitors. The grounded plug design meets European electrical standards, which means you're not only protecting your device but also complying with safety regulations. This is especially important for business travelers who need reliable equipment abroad. From a quality perspective, this power cord feels solid in hand. It's not one of those thin, cheap cables that raise doubts about safety. Instead, it delivers a professional-grade experience that matches the demands of modern electronics. For those who have tried it, the feedback is clear. This power cord performs exactly as advertised. No surprises, no compromises. It's a dependable choice that fits seamlessly into your setup, whether you're plugging in at a hotel or your office. If you're ready to simplify your power needs for European outlets, this cable offers a straightforward, effective solution. It's a practical tool that saves time, reduces hassle, and keeps your devices powered safely. Worth a look if you want a power cord that feels built to last and works without fuss. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference when you're dealing with international power standards. Try it when you're ready to stop relying on adapters that don't quite fit or feel unreliable. This power cord gives you confidence in every connection, backed by solid construction and positive user experiences. In summary, this power cord with a C7/7 plug and IEC 60320 C13 receptacle is a reliable companion for anyone dealing with European electrical outlets. It supports up to 5 amps and 1250 watts at 250 volts, ensuring your devices run safely and smoothly. Choosing this cord means choosing quality, safety, and convenience all in one. Whether for travel or daily use, it delivers consistent performance you can count on. If that's you, this cable is a smart addition to your tech gear.